Looking for that perfect Halloween drink to serve? Look no further than this blood orange bourbon cocktail. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we got a shaker, we got half full of ice, and we're gonna take 4 ounces of fresh squeezed blood orange juice. And then next, we're gonna take 4 ounces of good bourbon. This one here happens to be Breckenridge bourbon. And then we're gonna take 8 ounces of a just refrigerated lemonade. We'll mix that in. Lastly, we have got a half an ounce of pomegranate juice. And we just want to shake this for about 5-10 seconds. So now we're going to pour this evenly between 2 glasses filled with ice, or about half full of ice. And then we are going to garnish with a fresh blood orange slice. And there you go. The blood orange bourbon cocktail. Hope you enjoy it. Happy Halloween. Wow, that's good. That's good.